And the race is on. Friendly Venture, boss. Pogi. Race taker, then comes entry number 9 para sa amin, Pivotal. Alongside is Power Gear, Prince Dugo, Seal, My Lips, Executive Order. And Object of Desire is running at the tail of the field. Boss, Pogi by some 2 lengths. Friendly Venture para sa amin is running in third. Alongside is Power Gear, Race Taker, and Pivotal. Inside the last 500, Boss Pogi by some 2 lengths, followed now by Power Gear para sa amin. Race Taker, Danori inside as they race the last 200. Boss Pogi by a length and a half, followed by Power Gear and by the rallies para sa amin. And nearing the finish line, Boss Pogi para sa amin by Daryl. Boss Pogi para sa amin. And finally, Boss Pogi para sa amin, Power Gear, Risk Taker, and Pivotal for your Pentafecta.
Okay, 8, 9.